So, friends, you're going to. Okay, there was some homework. Rick Wilson's story. You read Rick Wilson's story, guys? Right. Exercise.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Kakasha. Hello, Rishikesh.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Technically speaking,
Sir,
yeah,
my, my eyes is headache. पूरा दर्द है आँख में मेरा.
my eyes are burning.
Burning. My eyes are burning.
मेरी आंखों में
Are
जलन हो रही है. मेरी आंखों में
जलन.
जलन हो रही है. My eyes are hurting. मेरी आंखों में दर्द. मेरी आंखों में दर्द हो रहा है. My eyes are hurting. मेरी आंखों में दर्द हो रहा है. Rick Wilson. Hey, Shama.
Hello, sir.
Yes. You want to say something?
सॉरी सर, सैटरडे को हम क्लास नहीं कर पाए। हम आपको मैसेज किए थे बट मैसेज गया नहीं।
No, no, I saw the message. I saw the message, Kakasha. There was electricity problem, right?
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
यस सर।
Both of you were absent because your hostel didn't have electricity. I know. Okay, no worries. Do watch the recording though, okay? I have
Yes,
shared the
sir.
recording and please watch the recording, everybody.
Sir, I'll say recording everything.
Good. So, exercise 3. Complete the sentences about you, about you, about you, about yourself. Complete the sentences about yourself. अपने बारे में sentences complete करिए. Number 1, I go to Nanda College. I go to Patel College. I go to STC Vidashram. I go to STC Spoken English class.
University.
Right? No problems? I have, and then a brother, a sister, two brothers, two sisters, whatever. You know the numbers. I
Good
live
evening, sir.
with. Hello, Arti. Good to have you. I live with. I live with my wife, my daughter, my brother, his family, his wife, his
My
son, and my mother.
friends.
Okay. So when you say I live with, you are sharing information about the people in your house. When you're saying I live with, मैं इनके साथ रहता हूँ, तो किनके साथ रहते हैं? जो लोग हैं. So I would like to know from dear Asif. Asif na? Danish, please answer. I live with. live में रहना. I live मैं रहता हूँ. With के साथ, किसके साथ रहता हूँ? कोई परेशान क्या? तो प्लीज आंसर. देखना परेशानी होगी. बहुत सिंपल है, होगी. दिमाग खुला हुआ नहीं, बस इतनी सी बात है. और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है दोस्तों. दिमाग खुला हुआ नहीं है, खुल जाएगा. यस सर. I live with a friend or two, three friends. I live with friends. I live with or some
Friends.
friends in a in a if he lives in a house, then house. Then you should mention it. I live with, जैसे जानकारी देने के लिए बोलना होता है. बोलते क्यों इंग्लिश में या किसी भाषा में? जानकारी देने के लिए. तो इस किसी को नहीं पता, कैसे बताएंगे भाई? जानना चाहते कहाँ रहते भाई, किसके साथ रहते भाई? आई लिव विद फोर फ्रेंड्स इन अ hostel. I live with some friends in a hostel. The hostel is at Khandakpur. No problems. Next. I really like I really like. After that, anything you like. If you're talking about your family, mention your family. If any particular member in your family you like a lot, you can say, I really like my mother. I really like my father. Your favorite person in your family. Otherwise, you can say, I really like my family, right? You can also say, I really like learning English. I really like learning English. I really like learning English. No problem. Any worries? कोई टेंशन है? Tell a partner. Exercise 3. Tell a partner. एक partner को बताइए, है ना? चलो, tell a partner, everybody. Talk to somebody. Yes. Aarti, Rishikesh, Kekasha, Shama. I will create the breakout room, but if you want to call your friend, आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. पता है ना क्या करना है? वही चारों सेंटेंस बताना एक दूसरे को. बताओ. Tell him, Vishal, about you. Tell him about you. With the 4 sentences, tell him about yourself. Are you confused, Vishal? Are you, Danish, confused? You're not confused. Okay, good. Shubhankar, you should talk to Aman. You should talk to the guy next to you. Silly. You're talking to him. Who will he talk to? You have already done it. Okay, everyone. Okay, I'm going to ask you about apostrophe S. What's your name? What's your name? In this sentence, we write WHAT apostrophe S. What does apostrophe S means here? Is. The meaning of apostrophe S is. What is your name? That's the apostrophe, right? What is your name? Okay, listen to this. My name's Vinay. My name's Vinay. Name apostrophe S. What is this? My name is Vinay. Apostrophe S means is in these 2 sentences. Now listen to another. He apostrophe S. He apostrophe S. A doctor. He is a doctor. Apostrophe S means is. No doubt. Now listen to this one. My daughter's name is Aditi. My daughter's name is Aditi. Daughter's name. My daughter's name is Aditi.
Aditi.
My daughter, apostrophe S. Daughter's name is Aditi. This apostrophe S means
Possession.
is नहीं हो सकता. क्या बोलेंगे? My daughter is name is Aditi.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Noor. Good evening.
Its name.
My daughter's name, मेरी बेटी का नाम. Daughter's name means her name. Daughter's name, her name. My daughter's name, her name, right? ये apostrophe S is नहीं है. My daughter's name is Aditi. Now, आप कहीं बोलना चाहते हैं कि मेरे टीचर का नाम विनय है. कैसे बोलेंगे?
My teacher's name
name
is
is
Vinay.
My teacher's name is Vinay. Teacher, Teacher, apostrophe S.
Apostrophe
My
S.
teacher's name is Vinay. Teacher's name, his name. My teacher's name, his name. तो apostrophe S can mean two things. एक is हो सकता है उसका मतलब, और दूसरा मतलब हो सकता है possession. Mean sentence देख के decide कर सकते हैं. Now I'm going to give you a sentence with two apostrophe S's. एक sentence में दो apostrophe S's होगा, ठीक है? My daughter's friend's an engineer. My daughter's friends and an engineer. फिर से सुनना. My daughter, 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 apostrophe S. My daughter's friend, FRIEND, apostrophe S, friends, an engineer. My daughter's friends, an engineer. I'm writing this sentence in the group, okay, for everybody. And I'm also writing it here. I'm annotating the sentence here. My daughter, DAUGHTER apostrophe S. Daughters, friends,
सब नहीं दिख रहा है.
FRIEND apostrophe S. A doctor, चलो, या an engineer कहा था वही रखते हैं. An engineer. Okay, everybody. My daughter's friend's an engineer. दो apostrophe S है, एक daughter पे और एक friend पे. ठीक है? Can you see it? आप देख नहीं पा रहे? Let me write it for you. Online students can see it, right?
Yes, sir.
My daughter's friend and engineer. I've just put the sentence in the group, everybody, for you. You can check the group.
Daughter's apostrophe S means possession. Friends
बेटी का दोस्त इंजीनियर है.
मेरी बेटी का दोस्त
It means
एक
is.
इंजीनियर है. तो एक apostrophe S is है और दूसरा apostrophe S possession बता रहा है. कौन सा?
फ्रेंड्स का पोजीशन.
पहला वाला
डॉटर पे
possession.
apostrophe S वो possession है. डॉटर्स फ्रेंड, हर
Possession.
फ्रेंड. और फ्रेंड पे जो apostrophe S वो is है. तो आप
Is है.
पहचान सकते हैं ना
फ्रेंड इज
easily?
Friend
Okay,
is
good.
an engineer.
Right. Look at the blue box, grammar spot box. Look at the box. My name's Rick. My name is Rick. My brother's name is Edward. Possession. My brother's name. भाई का नाम. तो का के लिए apostrophe S लगाते हैं, right? Apostrophe S. Now let's do exercise 5. Answer the questions. Question number 1. Read the question. Read the question. Who's Edward? Who's Edward? Who's Edward, right? Okay. Vanshika, can you please come here? Sandhya, can you go and sit there to her place? Vanshika, please come here. You guys there? Are you managing? Do you have a book there? Do you have a book? Okay. Well, I can ask Inzamam, could you please okay, you leave. Akansha. Okay, please, you. Yeah. Yep. Akansha, go back.
Yeah.
Is that all right? Is that all right, everybody? Let's continue. Who's Edward? The question is, who's Edward? Who's Edward? Who's Edward? Edward कौन है? Who's Edward? Who's मतलब who is? Who's Edward? Edward कौन है? Who's Edward? He is Rick's brother. Number 2. Who's Rosie? Who's Rosie? Answer.
She is Rick's sister.
She is Rick's sister. She is Rick's sister. Next, who's Peter?
He is Rick's father.
He is Rick's. He is Rick's father. Who's Helen?
She is Rick's mother.
mother.
She is Rick's mother. Who is Lily? Aman, why are you
He
here
is Rick's
off camera?
girlfriend.
She is
Girlfriend.
Rick's girlfriend.
Aman, you are here and you are off camera. Why? Aman, where are you?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
You haven't been attending the class.
No, sir. We are going to Pawapuri.
Okay, be regular. And physical class students should join physical class only, okay? Online class students should join online. We should not mix up कि आज यहाँ है कल online. No. You have to be here, okay? जरूरी है ये. Discipline. Okay, who's Helen?
Rick's mother.
She is Rick's
Is Rick's
mother.
mother. Don't keep quiet. Answer. Helen is Rick's mother. Helen is Rick's mother. Who's Lily?
She is Rick's
Rick's
girlfriend.
girlfriend. Who's speaking? Where is this noise coming from? Don't go off camera, man. Next question. Number 3. What's his father's job?
He
His
is
father's
a
job.
What's
salesman.
his
He is a
father's job?
salesman.
He's a salesman. He is a salesman.
Salesman.
Who is a salesman?
Rick's father.
Rick's father is a salesman. Peter. Peter is a
Yeah.
salesman. What's his mother's job?
She is a
He
teacher.
is a teacher.
हेलो श्रेया, जब मैं पढ़ाता हूं तो ध्यान लिखने पे नहीं समझने पे होगा. फोकस कहाँ होगा? किस चीज पे फोकस होगा? ना कि लिखने पे. स्कूल में खाली बच्चे क्या करते हैं? अपने वही कराए. समझने की कोशिश पहली बार करिए लाइफ में. ज्यादातर बच्चे स्कूल में क्या करते हैं? लिख रहे होते हैं. कुछ ही बच्चे समझ रहे होते हैं, बाकी ज्यादातर क्या कर रहे होते हैं? लिख रहे होते हैं. हाँ, कोई नहीं लिखेगा, समझेगा सारा. हाँ, जहां मुश्किल होगी वहां पूछेंगे. व्हाट्स योर फादर्स जॉब? यस प्लीज आंसर.
My father is a businessman.
My father is a shopkeeper.
Close the door and window and turn on the AC, or this is comfortable? This is comfortable. Okay, then leave it. What's your father's job? What's your father's job? Well, he's a carpenter. Very good. Next. What's your father's job?
Businessman.
मतलब सेंटेंस बोलना चाहिए आपको फार्मर बोलने की जगह. He is a he's a farmer. What's your father's job? He's
He
an
is a
engineer.
farmer too.
He's a normal. What did you say, Rishikesh?
He is a farmer too, बोले sir.
He's a farmer too. Your father is a farmer too. Okay. Arti, what's your husband's job?
He is a student, sir. No,
Oh,
sir.
he doesn't have a job yet.
Yes, sir.
You're only married. You don't have any children, do you, Arti? Do you have any
Yes, sir.
children? You don't have any
No,
children.
sir.
That's good
No,
for you.
sir.
That's good for you. When he gets a job, then you should start your family, because children are expensive. Children are raising a
Expensive. Too
child is
expensive.
expensive. Raising a child is expensive. Raising a child is expensive. मतलब
Yes.
बच्चे को पालना पोसना पैसा लगता है उसमें. Raising a child is expensive.
Yes, sir.
What is expensive? Raising a
Raising a
child is
child.
expensive. Sending a child to school is expensive. Sending a child to school is expensive. Okay. Next. Okay, do this exercise with your partner. Exercise 5. I'm creating the breakout room again, everybody. I want you to practice the questions and answers. Exercise 5. Aman, accept the invitation.
Network problem, sir.
Bhankar, practice with Aman. Aman, practice with Shvankar. Rocky sir hasn't printed. I asked him to print books. I asked him 2 days ago. He's done. Okay. I have more questions for you. Hello, everybody. Who is Shah Rukh Khan? Who is Shah Rukh Khan? He is an actor. He is an... Okay. Who is Aditi? She is... She is a student. Aditi, where is she? You could have said she's your daughter as well. You could have said she's your daughter. Who's Ruplata? विनय विनय सामने बैठा तो आप डायरेक्ट और वही विनय पूछ भी रहा है तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? She is... क्या बोलेंगे? She is my wife, right? Right. And my biggest problem. And my biggest problem. Yeah. तुमने पूछा ना हु इज रूपलता, तो मैंने कहा शी इज माई बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम। रूपलता इज माई बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम। ओके, ओके, पूछिए हु इज नरेंद्र मोदी, मुझसे पूछिए। ही इज he is the chief minister of Bihar. No, he isn't. No, he isn't. No, आपको मेरे से डिसएग्री करना चाहिए ना, कैसे करेंगे इंग्लिश में? No, he isn't. He is prime minister of India. He is not the chief minister of Bihar. He is prime minister of India. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Who is Prince? Yeah, he is our classmate बोल सकते थे. He is our, right? Any problems? Okay. Who's Divyanshu? He's the naughtiest student in our hostel, in class as well. He's your classmate. Okay. All right. Good. बहुत आसान है बच्चों को सीखना। चलो मूव ऑन करते हैं। इट वाज इजी ना बेटा। लेट्स सी। अरे, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम डूइंग ऑल दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन and the breakout room is still going on. ये सारी बातचीत होनी चाहिए थी उनके साथ भी ना। Never mind, we will do it again. Divyanshu, don't play with the door. You are playing with the door. Are you playing with the door? Is it you? You are opening and closing it. Push a little more. That's it. That's it. Leave it. Look. Okay, everybody. Who's Nitish Kumar?
He is a
He
chief
is the Chief Minister of?
Bihar.
Good, very good.
He's the chief minister.
Who is Bhutto sir?
Hmm?
Who is Bhutto sir?
I don't
You
know.
know? You don't know Bhutto sir? He is the ward council of Kagzi Mahalla, right? And he is also the director of, right? Okay. Who is Sony sir?
He is
My
Vinay sir's brother.
मेरे से ही बात कर रही हैं, मैं ही हूँ विनय सर। आपको ऐसे बोलना चाहिए क्या? कोई और
आपके
पूछे
भाई
तो
है ना सोनी
हाँ,
सर?
तो आप डायरेक्ट ऐसे हिंदी में इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हैं ना, ही इज
अच्छा, your brother,
right,
yes.
right.
Sorry.
And he is the director of STC Vidyashram, right? Huh? And the hostel. Okay, fine. Next. Hmm. Who is Divya? She is a crazy girl. She is a crazy girl. She's a, yeah, but I am calling her crazy. Crazy means
Pagal.
pagal, right? She's a crazy girl. We will take her to Ranchi for
Treatment.
treatment. Last night a doctor called me from there. He said, "When are you bringing Divya to Ranchi?" I said, "Soon." Last night a doctor called me from Ranchi and he asked me, "When are you bringing Divya to Ranchi?" I said, "Very soon, very soon." हम तो डॉक्टर के दोस्त हैं। the doctor who will treat Divya at Ranchi. क्या किया? आप कुछ नहीं किया, आप क्या कर सकते हैं? I am calling you crazy because the doctor said that bring her to Ranchi. And I said, okay. Last night the doctor called me and said, bring Divya to Ranchi. I said, very soon I will bring her. Okay. Someday the nano car that takes you to school will take her to Ranchi
Ranchi.
instead of school. Instead of going to school, the car will take her to Ranchi. She, you guys will be dropped. You guys will be dropped. Only Divya will be taken there. Okay. So, guys, there is a sentence in this text. I live with my parents and my brother in a house in West London. Do you see that sentence? I live with my parents and my brother in a house in West London. I live with my parents and my brother.
And my brother
Why
in a
is he
house.
not talking about his sister Rosie?
Because Rosie is
Because he
married.
is
Because
married.
Rosie is married and she doesn't live with Rick Wilson in the house. She lives with her husband somewhere else. Rosie lives with her husband in another house, in a different house. Because normally, when girls get married, they don't live with their mummy, papa, and brother and sister. After they get married, they live in a different house, right? So he says, I live with my parents, mummy and papa, parents, and my brother in a house. Why does he say in a house? Because he wants to say he lives in a house. He doesn't live in a flat. He doesn't live in a flat. He doesn't live in a room. He doesn't live in a cottage. He doesn't live in a castle.
Hostel.
These are different kinds of buildings. एक बिल्डिंग को हाउस बोलते हैं. ये जो क्लास
Sir, what difference between house and flat?
आप पूछो what is the difference between a house and a flat? आप मुझे
Yes,
बताओ,
sir.
आसपास देखो मेरे, look around. What do you see? Houses or flats? क्या दिख रहे हैं आपको?
House.
Houses, ना? Flats are
Yes, sir.
slightly different. Normally, flats are part of a big building. Flats are part of a big building.
building.
A big building has multiple flats, floors, 1 floor, 2 floor, and on 1 floor there can be 1 flat, 2 flats, 4 flats, 3 flats. So flat is a part of a big building. If you go to Doctor's Colony, you will see lots of flats there, right? और एक building को क्या बोलते हैं? Block of flats. Block of
Block of
Flat.
land.
में ढेर सारे flats हो, उस building को क्या बोलेंगे?
Block of flats.
Block of flats.
When you go to Doctor's Colony in Beharshev, you see a lot of blocks of flats. When you go to Patna, you see a lot of blocks of flats. But when you go to a village, do you see any blocks of flats? Only houses. Only
house.
and
Only
some
houses.
cottages. Some cottages. Right? Cottages like झोपड़ा type, you know, फूस वगैरह होता है उस पे, ठीक है? छत जो होती है सीमेंट की नहीं होती normally. Okay, cottage.
छप्पर.
Any problems? House समझ में आया? Did you understand
Yes, sir.
Shama, house and flat?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me one thing. Shama, this question is for you. People in big cities usually live in flats or houses? People in big cities?
Flat.
Flats.
People in villages?
House.
House.
Akansha, pay attention. Don't do that silly things in the class. Don't do any silly thing in the class. Full focus. Drink that water and close the cap. Quick now. Drink the water. You didn't want to drink. I hope you understand now. He says, I live with my parents and my brother in a house in West London. Any problems? Next sentence. My father, there is a comma after that. Notice. and then there is not a name written, Peter, my father, comma, Peter. And there is another comma. Can you see all? Can you see it all?
Yes.
Father,
Yes, sir.
comma, Peter, comma, is a salesman. In one sentence, he is sharing two different kinds of information. He's saying that his father's name is Peter and he is a salesman.
Salesman.
फिर से देखो,
Salesman.
my father, comma, Peter, comma, is a salesman. आप भी ऐसे बोल सकते हैं ना, लिख सकते हैं ना, बताइए कैसे लिखेंगे? My
Father,
father,
comma,
comma, comma, अपने पापा का नाम पीटर बताओगी, सही बोलो, फिर से
my
करो सही।
father,
हाँ,
comma,
Father, comma,
is
Pharaoh,
a
Father,
businessman.
comma,
is
is
a
not man,
businessman.
comma, is a businessman.
businessman.
Is a businessman.
got it everyone?
Yes.
My wife, comma, Ruplata, comma, is a teacher. Any problems? Easy है? एक सेंटेंस में information दे दिया, एक नाम भी और दूसरा जॉब भी। मान लो मैं किसी से फर्स्ट टाइम बात कर रहा हूँ, उसको बताता हूँ, I'm married, I am, my wife रूपलता is a teacher. तो उसको समझ में आ गया, अच्छा इसकी वाइफ का नाम रूपलता है और वो
Teacher.
एक
Teacher
सेंटेंस
है।
में दो इन्फॉर्मेशन दिए। समझ में आया? आप भी बस इतना ही करना, ऐसा ही करना, अपने पापा मम्मी का नाम भी बताना और जॉब भी बता देना, एक ही सेंटेंस। ओके, कैसे बताओगे? हाउ विल यू डू दिस?
My mother,
My mother name is
no,
teacher.
Okay, next. My mother, Helen, is a teacher. I'm not married. Look at the spelling of married. M-A-R-R-I-E-D.
ED,
Married. मतलब मेरी अभी पत्नी,
नहीं.
मैं
शादी नहीं
शादीशुदा नहीं हूँ, मेरी पत्नी नहीं है। I'm not.
Married.
Am I married?
Still
I
single.
am married. Unfortunately. Right. I am married. Unfortunately. Yes. Unfortunately मतलब दुर्भाग्य से, गलती से, किस्मत खराब है।
but
Unfortunately. तुम बोल सकती हो I am in this class unfortunately. I am in this class unfortunately. मतलब किस्मत मेरा खराब है कि हम इस क्लास में हैं। उल्टा है, अच्छा है, तो आप बोलोगे I am in this class fortunately. कैसे? Fortunately. मैंने वो जोक मारा था, राइट? I said when I said I am married unfortunately. तो ये क्या था? सीरियस? आपको लगता है? आपको देख के क्या लग रहा है कि मुझे अफसोस है मैं शादीशुदा हूँ? नहीं ना, दिखाता नहीं हूं मैं। ओके, ऑलराइट। ये दुख दिखाना नहीं चाहिए बेटा, दुख को अंदर रखना चाहिए। ओके, बट आई हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड, हर नेम्स लिली, शी इज लवली। वो अच्छी है कि नहीं है? शी इज लवली।
you, sir,
हु?
you have a
I have a girlfriend.
girlfriend.
I have a lot of girlfriends, Aarti. A lot of girlfriends. I have a girlfriend. Some people have a girlfriend for each day now. I have a girlfriend for every hour.
Hmm?
Okay. 24 girlfriends in one day. Okay. Happy now, Aarti? मिल गया जवाब? आ गया मजा? आ गया स्वाद? Okay. नाम जानना है? I will tell you.
Her name,
After that, I will have to kill you because the names are secret. The names are. So if I tell you, I will have to kill you. अगर मैंने बताया तो फिर उसके बाद मुझे आपको जान मारना होगा, क्योंकि मैं रिस्क नहीं ले सकता. The names are a secret.
Secret.
So I can't tell anybody. I can tell you, but then after that, I will have to
I kill you.
kill you. मैं मारना चाहता हूँ आपको? नहीं, I will have to kill you. Because नाम बता दिया तो फिर ऐसा होगा. हाँ, नहीं बताया. Then I will have to kill you. Are you sure? Then after that, I will have to kill you. Okay, fine. she doesn't love her life. She doesn't love her life. उसको अपने जीवन से प्यार नहीं है. She's ready to die. She's ready to be killed. Okay. Yeah, you have been challenging me. तुमने मुझे challenge कर ही रही. पकड़ के दिखाइए, पकड़ के दिखाइए. Right? You run faster than me. Okay. ठीक है. She runs faster than me. ठीक है बेटा, ठीक. I trust you that you are a very good runner. But someday, when there will be people, all my people, everywhere, where will you run? There will be people in this direction. There will be my people in this direction, my people in this direction. You will be surrounded by my people. And then you cannot escape. And that day, I will settle my accounts with you. I will settle my accounts with you. उस दिन अपना हिसाब किताब हम तुम्हारे साथ बराबर करेंगे. हाँ, सब जान
I am
जाएगा.
settled my account with you.
कस के बोलेंगे, जोर से नहीं बोलेंगे, कस के बोलेंगे. क्या करेंगे बेटा? कस के बोलेंगे, जोर से नहीं बोलेंगे, कस के बोलेंगे. कस के. क्या कस के बोलेंगे? कमर कस के बोलेंगे, बेल्ट कस के बोलेंगे, हाँ कस के बोलेंगे. Okay, beta, I will tell you. Let's look at the photos, everyone. One photo you see, there is Rick Wilson, and in the middle is his mother, and on the other side is his dad. So it is Rick with his parents. Rick with his parents.
Parents.
And they're all very good looking. They're all very good looking.
Good looking.
Next. You see Rick with Lily. Me and Lily. Their hair looks very similar. I think he has borrowed his hair from Lily. Look at their hair. Exactly the same. You don't like their hair? Oh, you don't like Rick Wilson? Okay. Look at Edward. Look at Edward. Is Edward handsome? Yeah, Edward is handsome. Yeah. Edward is handsome. Look at his shirt and tie and his coat, school coat. Blazer, we call it. School blazer. Yeah, I like his hairstyle, Edward's hairstyle. Yeah, she speaks a little too much now. Yeah, right. Rosie. Can you see Rosie in the white dress? And she's standing with
Her husband.
She's standing with her husband
Her
ki his
husband.
husband? सोच के बताओ.
Her husband.
His husband, her husband.
Her husband.
Right.
क्या है सही? सोच के बोलो.
Her
Her
husband.
husband. Because a girl's husband, ना. उसका पति, गर्ल का पति ना. तो गर्ल के लिए हर बोलते ना. किसका हस्बैंड? लड़की का हस्बैंड कि लड़के का हस्बैंड? हर हस्बैंड. हर हस्बैंड. भाषा में अच्छा खासा इंग्लिश जानने वाले भी क्या बोल जाते हैं? His husband. Poor them. बेचारे. And Rosie is holding some flowers in her hands. Can you see? It's a wedding photo. I think it's a wedding photo. Can you see this wedding photo? She is in her wedding dress. And Rosie's husband, what is his name? We don't know Rosie's husband's name, do we? We don't know.
I don't know.
Let's imagine a name. Rosie's husband's name is Jack. Rosie's husband's name is Jack.
Jack.
मेरा imagination. तुम अपना बताओ. Rosie's husband's name is Nathun Ram. है ना?
Denver.
Denver. Nathur. Okay. Okay. Move on. Next page. आप लोग कर लिए ना वो 1.6? The text was easy ना? आप रिक की तरह आप
Yes, sir.
अपने बारे में आप बोल सकते रिक की तरह अपने बारे में क्या बोलो?
Yes, sir.
Hello, my name is Vinay Shankar Soni. I'm 45 years old and I'm a teacher. I live in Bihar Sharif. I have a school called STC Vidyashram. I teach young children there in the morning, but in the afternoon and in the evening, I teach grown-up people. Grown-up people matlab bade log. I teach grown-up people in a class on the second floor in my house. But in my class, sometimes there are very small students too. My students really enjoy my class. They really like my class. They never feel bored because my class is not like other boring classes. There are students online too. I am married and I have a daughter. My wife is my biggest enemy. खाली problem हर समय. My wife is my biggest enemy. I'm trying to defeat this enemy, but right now I'm not successful. But I will keep trying as long as I live. I will keep trying as long as I live. जब तक सांस चलेगी, कोशिश जारी रहेगी. I will keep trying to defeat her as long as I live. As long as I live मतलब जब तक मैं जिंदा हूं. As long as I live. आप क्या बोलेंगे? I will respect you as long as I live. Please teach me English. I will respect you as long as I live. आसान है? जब तक मैं जिंदा हूं. कैसे बोलेंगे?
I respect you
As long as
long as
I
life
am alive. As long as
life,
I
I
am
live. As long as I live.
as long as I live.
हम आपके क्लास में आते रहेंगे जब तक बिहार शरीफ में रहेंगे. I will come to your class as long as
As long as
I am
I
in
live.
Bihar Sharif. As long as I'm in Bihar Sharif, I will continue in your class.
yes.
जब तक बिहार शरीफ में तब तक हम गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं बनाएंगे. I will not make a girlfriend.
Make a girlfriend.
जब तक हम स्टूडेंट हैं. As long as I am
as long
a
as I am
Student.
a
ये अच्छी बात है ना.
student.
इससे पढ़ाई पर से ध्यान
Yeah.
नहीं हटेगा. हाँ, जॉब अब लग जाए, स्टूडेंट नहीं है, फिर सोचेंगे, क्योंकि वो भी जरूरी लाइफ में. शादी वादी भी. राइट. शादी जरूरी नहीं है. क्या बात है? आपके पापा ऐसा सोचते तो आप अटक जाते सर. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? जरूरी है. ओके, लेट्स सी. सो प्रैक्टिस सेक्शन. एज लॉन्ग एज मैं कुछ भी बताता रहता हूँ इंग्लिश में, आप सीखते जाते हो आसानी से. बोलो. जब तक मैं
Yes, sir.
जब तक मैं यहाँ हूं. कैसे बोलेंगे? एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम. आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू डोंट नीड
As
टू वरी.
long
You don't
as
need to
I
feel
am.
worried. You don't need to feel scared. You don't need to feel scared. You
Understand.
don't need to feel. As long as I'm
Shy.
here. As long as I'm.
Here.
Yeah.
तो बोल सामने वाला बोला I'm scared because you're here. I'm scared because you're here.
You are here.
अरे इसीलिए लग रहा है कि तुम यहाँ हो. If you go away, I will not be scared. ठीक है. तो आपको खाली कनेक्ट करके रखना है. बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना है क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, कैसा पढ़ रहे हैं. बस आपको कनेक्ट करके रहना है. आप इतनी आसानी से इतनी चीजें सीख जाए इंग्लिश में. हर चीज एक लेसन है. मैंने जोक में आपको क्या सिखा दिया? एज लॉन्ग एज. जब तक. कैसे? एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम अलाइव nobody can touch you. Nobody can.
Touch you.
You.
जब तक मैं
तुम्हें कोई
जिंदा
नहीं छू
तुम्हें
सकता।
पैसों की चिंता नहीं होगी. You don't need to worry about money. You don't need to worry about
Worry about money.
I have a job. As long as I have a
As long as I have a job.
मतलब जब तक मेरे पास जॉब है तुमको पैसों की टेंशन लेने की जरूरत. You don't need to worry about money. As long as I have a job. As long as
I have a job.
थोड़ा ग्रुप रिकॉर्डिंग देखना, प्रैक्टिस करना, ठीक है. चलो प्रैक्टिस सेक्शन. Am is are. Complete the sentences with the verb to be. To be verb, how many forms it has? How many forms to be verb has? What are those three forms?
3 forms. Is, am, are.
Is, am, are the forms of verb be. ये सबको पता है? Be
Yes,
verb
sir.
के कितने forms होते हैं?
3.
कौन से 3
Three.
form होते हैं? ये तीनों प्रेजेंट फॉर्म है. कौन से फॉर्म है?
Present.
Present.
देखो भाई, प्रेजेंट फॉर्म से कंप्लीट करो. देयर आर टोटल 8 sentences. कितने sentences हैं? 8 sentences. Okay, read the sentences with your partner. If you don't have a book, look at your friend's book, look at your partner's book. Sadakat, you go and sit where Shwankar is sitting. Shwankar, you come here. Shwankar, you come here. Go, beta. Hmm. Sonam, I am thirsty. I'm thirsty. I need water. Go downstairs. Sonam, go downstairs and ask Mossy for water. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. Okay? Water means, drink means, Pina. Drink means, I want to drink water. Go downstairs. Okay? And ask Mossy for water. Mossy se pani mang liya. Okay, beta? Go. Are you done?
Yes.
These are easy sentences.
Yes, sir.
These are
Yes.
very, very easy sentences. Divanshu and Monu, don't quarrel. Have you finished? Can we continue? Can we change?
Yes, sir.
Number 1, everybody. Number 1.
Where are you
Are
from?
you from?
From
Where
Where
are you
are
from?
you from? R क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि U के साथ B का कौन सा फॉर्म लगता है?
Are.
us.
R के पहले क्यों है? U के बाद क्यों नहीं? Where you are from क्यों नहीं?
Because it's question.
Question mark, sir.
अभी सवाल पूछेंगे, क्वेश्चन मार्क दिख रहा है. बी वर्ब कहाँ होगा? सब्जेक्ट के
पहले.
है ना?
Before subject.
Where are you from? Before the subject. That's right. Number 2.
Are you
Are
from
you
Are
London?
you from London?
Yes,
Are
I
you
am.
from London?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. AM लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? Apostrophe M मत लिख देना. AM separate. AM. Yes, I am.
And
Yes, I am. Apostrophe M नहीं लिखना. Apostrophe M गलत हो जाएगा वहां पे. Okay. Number 3.
how old are you?
How
How
old
old
are you?
I'm 15.
I'm 15.
I am 15. इस बार आप apostrophe M लिख सकते हैं. अब सोचो कहाँ नहीं लिख सकते. जब उसके बाद कोई और वर्ड नहीं है तो apostrophe M नहीं लिखना है. उसके बाद कोई और वर्ड है तो लिख सकते हैं. देखो, I'm 15. आई एम, इसमें हमारे पास दूसरा ऑप्शन भी है, AM भी लिख सकते हैं, आई एम 15। बताइए मैं कैसे मदद करूं दानिश आपकी, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू? अच्छा, लेट मी सी। आई अंडरस्टैंड। तो क्लैरिटी आ गई है? इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन इन योर माइंड? इज देयर एनी
No.
कंफ्यूजन इन योर माइंड? नाउ नेक्स्ट, नंबर 4।
Sisters
Are your
married.
full sister married?
I,
आ
No,
गया,
they aren't.
कंफ्यूजन आ गया। इज होगा कि आर होगा?
हाँ
देखा कंफ्यूजन है ना?
हाँ सर
योर सिस्टर्स क्या लिखा है?
Your
your
sisters.
सिस्टर्स
sisters.
इज प्लूरल और सिस्टर्स इज सिंगुलर?
Plural.
देख लो, सिस्टर्स इज प्लूरल ना?
Yes,
सिस्टर्स,
sir.
sisters is a plural form. What do
Yeah.
you want to use?
Yes,
हाँ
your sister.
Are
No,
your sisters
they,
married? No, they aren't.
they aren't, they कौन?
उसकी
sisters.
अभी
sister.
आर लगाए ना, तो फिर वहां इज क्यों लगा रहे हो नंबर 4 में? क्या लगाना चाहिए?
Are
हाँ
आर क्यों लगाना चाहिए?
plural.
हम्म,
We are
Sisters are
talking about
plural.
plural
plural.
sisters, so we should use are. Are your sisters married? तुम्हारी बहनों की शादी हो गई है? Are your sisters married? चलो पूछ लेते हैं आप लोगों से। दिव्यांशु, are your sisters married? No. Mom, are your sisters married? One sister is married. Very good. I like your answer. दिमाग खुल रहा है बच्चे का, वो फंसना नहीं। वो पूछे हैं सर तो जवाब देना पड़ेगा क्या? एओ का शादी हो गया। वन सिस्टर इज मैरिड। वेरी वेल डन बेटा, मुझे बस इतनी समझ चाहिए और कुछ नहीं। वन सिस्टर इज मैरिड। ओके, व्हाट अबाउट यू फरहान? Your 4 sisters are married. His 4 sisters are, but one is not married. One is not married. उसने ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया है? What is her fault? अरे अरे अरे, तुम समझे नहीं मेरी बात? देखो फिर नहीं समझा, मैंने क्या मजाक किया। मैंने कहा व्हाट इज हर फॉल्ट, मतलब
उसकी
मैंने
क्या
कहा उसने
गलती?
क्या गलती करी है। किसने? जिस
ये
शादी
गोटी की
नहीं
शादी
मेरी
नहीं हुई है।
सिस्टर नहीं।
4 sisters are married, one is not। तो मैंने पूछा ऐसी क्या गलती कर दी उसने कि वन इज नॉट मैरिड? उसको भी करो, शादी करो, हटाओ, राइट? यही ना। मैंने व्हाट इज हर फॉल्ट, व्हाट इज हर मिस्टेक। तुमने इसको इंग्लिश समझने में दिक्कत कर दी है ना बेटा? क्या जवाब है इसका? कम ऑन सर, शी इज ओनली 16। कम ऑन सर, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ बॉय, वी आर, लड़का देख रहे हैं हम लोग, वी आर, है ना?
Looking for
तभी
a
जवाब
man.
डिपेंड करता है। कम ऑन सर, शी इज ओनली 8 years old, शी इज ओनली, ये भी तो जवाब हो सकता है। सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर, आप 8 साल की भाई है, राइट? शी इज ओनली, तो आपके सिचुएशन,
80
मैंने
years.
मजाक तो जरूर करा, लेकिन आप फिर भी जवाब दे रहे। ऐसे तो ये सवाल ही बेकार था। मैंने कहा व्हाट इज हर फॉल्ट, व्हाई इज शी नॉट मैरिड? क्या बोलोगे आप? माई पेरेंट्स आर सर्चिंग अ बॉय। वेरी नाइस फरहान, यू आर अ लवली बॉय। बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया अपने बेटा। Number 4, everybody. Are your sisters married? Is your sisters married? Which is correct? Why not is? Because sisters is
Sisters are
now.
plural.
Plural.
आप बोलिए, pens are कि pens is?
Tens.
Pens are.
Sisters is.
Sisters are.
Are.
Sisters are lovely. बहनें बड़ी प्यारी होती हैं। Sisters are lovely.
Lovely.
Sisters are lovely. बहनें प्यारी होती हैं। जिसकी बहन वो जानता है ये बात। Sisters are lovely. और जितनी लड़कियां उनको मैं बता दूं, brothers are obnoxious. Brothers are obnoxious. obnoxious मतलब जिससे चिढ़ है वैसा, जिससे चिढ़ है वैसा। brothers are obnoxious. Brothers are obnoxious.
Brothers are so kind.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Noor is saying brothers are kind. Do you agree, boys? Brothers are kind or obnoxious?
Yes, sir. Kind.
Sometimes kind, sometimes obnoxious, right? Both. Obnoxious, जिससे आपको कैसा महसूस हो? कहे हो तुम क्यों इस दुनिया में? ऐसी फीलिंग देना, इसका मतलब ही इज obnoxious.
obnoxious.
मेरे बारे में मत बोलना विनय सर इज obnoxious, ऐसे मत बोल देना, ठीक है? आपको पता है मैंने सिखा के गलती करी है कुछ लोगों को, वो सीधे मेरे बारे में बोलेंगे विनय सर इज obnoxious. ओके, obnoxious मतलब बेटा जिससे कैसी फीलिंग है कि है क्यों, ये क्यों है इस दुनिया में, है ना? इतने न रहने से कितना शांति होता दुनिया में, राइट? तो क्या बोलते हैं इसको, मतलब आप उससे चिढ़ते हैं कि नहीं चिढ़ते हैं? तो obnoxious में चिढ़ाने वाला कि ना चिढ़ाने वाला?
चिढ़ाने वाला।
तो आप अपने आप को मानते हो कि obnoxious हो? कभी नहीं। लेकिन आपके भाई बहन क्या बोलते होंगे आपको? He is so obnoxious.
Obnoxious.
He is so obnoxious. यही बोलते हैं ना? भाई बहन में झगड़ा होता है तो क्या बोलते हैं एक दूसरे को? हो क्यों पापा मम्मी तुमको पैदा क्यों किए, राइट? यू आर सो obnoxious. ठीक है?
Obnoxious.
So who is the most obnoxious person you know? Answer. Your sister is obnoxious. अब सुन ली तो उसके बाद फिर वो तुम्हारे चेहरे का रंग लाल लाल कर देगी सुनने के बाद। कौन सी सिस्टर? विच सिस्टर? What is your name? Our sister's name. Who is obnoxious? रिकॉर्डिंग में डलवाना है ना ताकि उसको दिखा सके बाद में। ट्रैप है ये। What is your sister's name? ऐसे तो पता नहीं चलेगा ना कि आप बोला my sister is obnoxious. कोई आई तुम्हारे बारे में बोला, नहीं हम तो तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं बोले, तुम उसके बारे में बोले थे ना। Which sister is obnoxious? What is her name? Your sister. What is her name? He doesn't want to tell. पकड़ा जाएगा, कैमरे पे रिकॉर्डिंग में है। स्मार्ट बॉय, ठीक है। Tell me, who is the most obnoxious person you know? Who is the most obnoxious person you know? Who is? कौन है? Who is? अभी तो बात कर रहे थे। Who is? Who is the most obnoxious person you know? ऐसा कौन है जिसको आप जानते हैं सबसे obnoxious, सबसे ज्यादा चिढ़ाने लगे क्यों है यार? Don't say
Maths
Vinay sir.
teacher.
Don't say Vinay. ना मेरा नाम मत।
Math teacher.
Oh, your math teacher. Shama is your math teacher is the most obnoxious person. Okay. आप बताओ, who is the most obnoxious person you know? Your brother,
My
Aman.
sister.
Your brother, Ayush, is the most obnoxious person. The most obnoxious, सबसे ज्यादा चिढ़ाने वाला इंसान. Really? Don't think you mean it. I think both of you love your brother. You're just saying it. Yeah, he looks kind, huh? He looks cute, but he's obnoxious. Okay. All right. बोल के देखा ना वो word क्या था? बोलना. Obnoxious. Obnoxious. 3 parts. Obnoxious. 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 मजा आ रहा है? कोर्स चल रहा है सामने, प्लस मसाले आ रहे हैं, चटनी वगैरह आ रहा है ऊपर से। ये सब ऊपर का चटनी है। obnoxious अभी पढ़ाई क्या था? यहाँ है क्या? बुक में है क्या? नहीं ना? तो ये सब एक्स्ट्रा चटनी सॉस वगैरह मिलता है ना पिज्जा वगैरह में, वही है, सीजनिंग है ये। पैसा आप देते हैं किसका? पिज्जा का। लेकिन उसके साथ फ्री में क्या आता है? सॉस, सीजनिंग, ओरिगानो, चिली फ्लेक्स, sauce, tomato sauce, all that. Next, beta, number 5.
Like
Like
you.
you are my
You
friend.
are my friend.
I like you. You are my friend. I like you. You're my friend.
तुम मेरे दोस्त हो.
Divyanshu, I like you. You're my friend. Okay, next. हाँ? मेरा स्टूडेंट है, फ्रेंड नहीं हो सकता स्टूडेंट। कभी नहीं। स्टूडेंट का फ्रेंड नहीं हो सकता है ना। आर यू गाइस माय फ्रेंड्स और नॉट? Nah. Oh, I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely. Next, number 6. Hans, he is from Switzerland. He कौन?
Research.
Hans, क्या बोलोगे?
Hands.
Hans isn't from Germany. अगर आप बोलोगे Hans is from Germany, तो मतलब होगा Hans जर्मनी का रहने वाला है। और फिर कॉमा देके आप बोल रहे हो he is from Switzerland, वो स्विट्जरलैंड का रहने वाला है। कैसा हो सकता है? एक आदमी दो कंट्री का रहने वाला हो सकता है? ये कोई मतलब बना इस बात का? क्या बोलना चाहिए था? हैंस इज, क्यों हुआ ऐसा पता है? आपके अभी दिमाग की खिड़की नहीं खुली है। ऐसा थोड़ी आपको समझ नहीं आता ये सब। खिड़की नहीं खुली है बस, और कोई बात नहीं। जंग लगा हुआ है। जब एक बार दरवाजा शटर ऐसे हो जाए तब हवा आना जाना शुरू तेजी से। ठीक है बेटा, देखो हैंस इजंट फ्रॉम जर्मनी। हैंस जर्मनी का रहने वाला नहीं है।
नहीं है।
ही इज फ्रॉम
He is from
स्विट्जरलैंड, वो स्विट्जरलैंड
Switzerland.
का रहने वाला है। सब लोगों ने इज लगा दिया था ना, या कुछ लोगों ने आर लगा दिया होगा। इजन किसने लगाया? एनीबॉडी रोट इजन? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ आपको अभी पता नहीं चल रहा था, जबकि कितना आसान है। शाहरुख खान डॉट 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 ए पॉलिटिशियन कॉमा ही इज एन एक्टर। क्या बोलेंगे?
Shahrukh Khan
Shahrukh
isn't
Khan
a
isn't
politician.
politician.
He is an actor.
शाहरुख खान isn't a politician,
Yes.
he is an actor.
Yes.
Any problem?
No.
Number 7.
Are your mother a doctor? No, she isn't.
No, she
Isn't.
isn't. She कौन?
Mother.
She
Mother,
कौन?
her mother.
Your mother. तो
Mother.
मदर है शी, आपने isn't लगाया तो शुरू में आप आर योर मदर कैसे बोल रहे हो? सोचो क्यों बोल रहे हो? मदर मतलब एक औरत के एक ज्यादा। प्लूरल
एक।
क्या होता? मदर्स ना। प्लूरल क्या होता? मदर्स है वहां। तो
No,
आप
sir.
सिंगुलर के साथ इज लगाते हो कि आर। तो आपने आर योर मदर कैसे सोचा? और आप कह रहे थे बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत इजी है। ऑलरेडी 2-3 गलतियां हो गई दोस्तों। क्या समझ में आया? द थिंग्स दैट लुक इजी आर नॉट ऑलवेज इजी,
Easy.
क्योंकि दिमाग अभी खुला नहीं है। दिमाग
नहीं.
खोली बेटा। नंबर 7।
I am not Italian. I am French.
नंबर 7 आई said not 8. नंबर 7।
Oh, number 7.
योर
Is your mother a doctor?
डॉक्टर?
Say that.
इज योर मदर अ
No.
डॉक्टर? आगे पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो। नो,
No, she isn't.
isn't a doctor। पूरा नहीं बोलने की जरूरत, isn't पैकेज छोड़ देते हैं। फरहान, is your mother a doctor? No, she isn't। All right, Adnan, is your mother beautiful? Yes।
Yes.
Is your mother loving? Loving मतलब?
Yes.
Loving मतलब
Yeah.
तो आपको प्यार करते हो, आपको प्यार करते हो। लविंग मदर मतलब आपको प्यार करती हैं। मैंने पूछा इज योर मदर लविंग, आपको प्यार करती हैं? यस सर, शी इज। ओके, नंबर 7, इज योर मदर डॉक्टर? नो, शी
Mother a doctor.
इज आकांक्षा गुड स्टूडेंट?
No, she isn't.
जानता है आकांक्षा को? नो शी इजंट बोल दिया रे नूर।
No, I don't know.
फिर भी तूने बोले नो शी इजंट। आई थिंक शी इज अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट। आई थिंक आकांक्षा इज अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट। आकांक्षा, आर यू गुड स्टूडेंट? आई थिंक यू आर, बट वो मत करना जो कर रही थी कॉपी में तरफ से। ध्यान, फोकस, फुल फोकस ऑल द टाइम। और यही चीज वापस स्कूल जाकर के भी। यहाँ कोई बातें करता है जब मैं पढ़ाता हूँ? सब लोग मेरी तरफ ध्यान देते रहते हैं। और कई क्लासेस में हमारे स्कूल में कोई बात नहीं करता, लेकिन कुछ क्लासेस में ज्यादा बातें करते हैं लोग। क्लास 4 में ज्यादा बातें करते हैं लोग, 3 में ज्यादा बातें करते हैं लोग, बट सीनियर क्लासेस में दे टॉक टू द टीचर, नॉट टू ईच अदर। टॉकिंग टू द टीचर इज वेरी वेरी गुड, you need to discuss things with the teacher, but when the teacher is talking to you and you are talking to each other, you and your friend, that's not right. That's not good for your studies. So change the culture of your class. No conversation with each other. Okay? Number 8.
I'm not
Sir,
Italian.
chef,
I am French.
I'm not Italian.
French.
I'm French. I'm not Italian. I am French.
French.
Any problem? I'm not Italian. I'm French. You went to America. आप अमेरिका गए, वहां किसने आपको पाकिस्तानी समझ लिया, तब क्या बोलेंगे उसको? I'm not
I'm not
Pakistani.
Pakistani.
Pakistani, I am
Indian.
Indian.
आपको गलती से पाकिस्तानी समझा जा सकता है कि इटालियन समझा जा सकता है? पाकिस्तानी।
पाकिस्तानी।
क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में हम
पाकिस्तानी।
एक जैसे दिखते हैं, इटालियन हमारे जैसे नहीं दिखते, तो गलती से कैसे समझ जाएंगे वो? इसका मतलब इटालियन और फ्रेंच एक जैसे दिखते हैं कि नहीं दिखते? दिखते हैं। तभी तो बताना पड़ा, आई एम नॉट इटालियन, आई एम फ्रेंच। एनी प्रॉब्लम गाइस?
सर 7 नंबर में योर मदर्स, अगर वहाँ पे योर ब्रदर्स डॉक्टर रहते तो यहाँ पे आर योर ब्रदर्स डॉक्टर कर सकते थे।
हाँ बेटा, अगर वो मदर की जगह मदर्स कर दें तो आर होगा, सिंगुलर है तो इज, प्लूरल है तो
आर।
आर। उसका योर से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। योर के जगह माई
सिंगुलर
तो उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है। मदर सिंगुलर है इसलिए इज बोलेंगे, मदर्स प्लूरल हो जाएगा आर बोलेंगे।
तो आर।
इसीलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में देखो आर लिखा, आर योर सिस्टर्स मैरिड, सिस्टर्स प्लूरल है ना, दैट्स
यस सर।
got it everyone? So that's all. It is 5:30. Exercise 2 is your homework. Exercise 2. What is apostrophe s क्या है यहां पर देखो सेंटेंस में, is है कि possession है, ये देखना है, डिसाइड करना है। Okay, I'm putting this homework in the group.
Sir,
बोलो बेटा।
add me in group, sir.
नूर,
Yes.
तू अभी तक ब्राइब नहीं दिया भाई। I will wait for the bribe tonight. Okay, आज रात ब्राइब भेज देना। Okay, and I will add you to the group. Bye bye everybody. See ya.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.